there with a 2-core and a touchpad dropped in the middle of a real sad spot, with only dial up by providence, impoverished in a choir, grow up to be a hero of a wire.
The installers, founding father without a father, got a lot farther by working a lot harder, by being a lot smarter, by being a self-starter. By 14, they placed him in charge with Python parser.
While strings were being concatenated and formatted away across the spaces, he struggled and kept his guard up. Inside, he was longing for something to be a part of. The brother was ready to click, back, withdraw, borrow.
Then coronavirus came and isolation reigned. Our man saw his revenue dripping down the drain. Put a mouse in his hand, connected it to his brain, and he wrote his first VI, a controller for his train.
Well, the word got around, they said this ID's insane. See, he took up a collection just to pay the license fee, get online education, and don't forget where whence you came. And the world's gonna know your name. What's your name, man?
Alexander LabVIEW Man. My name is Alexander LabVIEW Man. There's a million dependencies to load, but just you wait, just you wait.
When he was 10, his code base split, errors hit, debt ridden. 2 years later, see Alex and his laptop bug ridden, half working. It is so sick you can't click.
And Alex got better, but his laptop crashed quick.
Moved in with a VM, the VM committed suicide. Left him with nothing but ruined pride. Something new inside, a voice saying, Alex, you source control for yourself. He started refactoring, learning every pattern on the shelf.
There would have been nothing left to do for someone less astute. Coder would not compute without highlight execution. Started working, clicking on a Bluetooth without a cord, building frameworks and templates, avoiding check that he can't afford. Scanning for every log he gets his hands on. Plan for the future, see him now as he stands on the brink of a sprint, headed for a new plan. With LabVIEW, you can be a new man.
Alexander LabVIEW Man. LabVIEw scripting all the things for you. You know how to shut down, you finally learn to write unit tests. Oh, Alexander LabVIEW Man. When they code reviews for you, will they know what you overrode? Will they know you rewrote the code? Now, gee, will never be the same.
Code is in the repo now, CI's gonna build it. Dependency injection coming up from the bottom. His customers deployed his app and then they forgot him.
AF with it.
Declaration with it.
Me, I love it.
And me, I'm the damn fool who made it.
There's a million dependencies to load, but just you wait.
What's your name, man?
Alexander LabVIEW Man.